Hi there, it's been a long while since I've filmed a video and posted it on my YouTube channel. So today here the video is. I've been inconsistent for a while, I'm aware of that. The reason behind that was if you follow me on my Instagram, you would know that I recently gifted myself a DSLR with my own savings, and I was busy exploring and learning how various things work out in a DSLR, and I forgot about this. Now I know this wasn't very right of me, but I hope you guys don't mind that much. I was also preoccupied in many other things. Now today I took out some time of my schedule and you're filming this video. Lately I have been getting lots and lots of DMs from you guys asking me to share how I exactly create content, how I shoot, I edit, and what is my setup. This video is for all the guys who asked me this. I hope this covers everything, and if you have any other queries that you need to discuss with me, kindly feel free to DM me on my Instagram or approach me anywhere, and I will hopefully get back to you within 2 to 3 days. Before I share my filming process with you guys, I wanted to share 2 to 3 tips for all the aspiring YouTubers out there, people who are thinking of starting their own YouTube channel but are confused majorly because of the following 3 facts. The first major fear of starting your own YouTube channel is always what others will think or judge. Now, most of the people realize this, that as soon as they post their first video out there on YouTube, 99.9% of the fear goes away because they start realizing that no one in their whole life actually gives a damn about what they are doing, what exactly they are posting on YouTube. Everyone is busy and worried about their own lives. So, I therefore urge you to please go put yourself out there. I promise you there will be some people who will pass some judgments about you, but just ignore that and move on. Your life is far more important than what others think. The second major misconception that people have while starting their own YouTube channel is gear. Now, having a gear does matter in the long run, but it doesn't matter in the start. Let me demonstrate this with an example. If you want to start writing, you do not actually give a damn about which pen to choose and which book or what notepad to choose, right? You just grab a notepad or paper, whatever you have near you, and just grab a pen or pencil or whatever and start your process. YouTube is a similar thing. You just need to put yourself out there, and you can eventually upgrade to a better gear. In fact, I started my own YouTube channel with I called one of my friends. I did not have a stand or anything. I just called my friend and requested him to shoot a video for me, and he did. If you want to check it out, I have provided the link for it in the description below. I know it isn't that good, but that was my start. The third major mistake that people commit is they are worried too much about the analytics, and they often get demotivated because they feel they are not growing and there is no use of posting themselves out. I know it gets demotivating at times, which is natural because all of us spend hours and hours creating, filming and posting ourselves out there. But according to a survey at TubeBuddy, channels reach 1000 to 10,000 subscribers after they have completed around 152 uploads. So, my friend, you do not have any right to complain until you make at least 152 uploads. So, go out there, post 152 videos, and then we'll tweak your growth. Okay, so now that I have shared my top 3 tips with you all, now let me share how I film and create content out and post it on YouTube. After getting dressed up, I first set up the RGB light that you see behind me. I first set it up on my bed. I haven't sticked it to the wall. I don't know why, but I just feel keeping it on the bed is more convenient to me, so I haven't mounted it up on the wall yet. So I basically just set it up on the bed and I pick a color that I most relate to at that particular of time. Normally I end up picking the color red. I don't know why, but the color red suits my background very much. So this isn't very expensive. It cost me around 300 bucks. So if you want to buy, all the links for it, all the links for the equipments that I use is in the description. You can check it out. So after I'm done setting up the RGB lights, I then mount my microphone, the Maono AU04. I'm not sure about the name of it, but it's of Maono. So yeah, I then mount my microphone on my study table here, and then I connect it to the laptop and I record my audio separately, and I combine the video and audio later while I edit. The third thing that I do is I obviously set my camera, the DSLR Canon 1500D on the tripod, and I then take a minute or two to set up the appropriate settings for that evening for that shot, and I just mount and I start filming. Now after I'm done filming, I take a break of 2 to 3 days and I then resume into the editing. So I edit in the application called Final Cut Pro X. I've learned all the things in editing from YouTube. Now that is how the time has become. There's no need to buy or purchase any course that teaches you this. Each and everything is quite freely available on YouTube. Okay, so that was the end of the video. That is what I wanted to share with you guys today. I really hope you found this video helpful, and kindly do let me know on my Instagram, my Gmail account, or in the comment section below, anywhere it's convenient to you, if you start your own YouTube journey, and if you need to discuss anything with me about YouTube or anything, feel free to DM me on my Instagram. I am active there. And if you want to check my photography outputs that I was talking to you all before, head out to my Insta profile. I post all my photography content out there. I create some reels and many more things, and I hope you all loved today's video. Also, kindly do let me know if I should post content like this. I will be posting quite different things from music and this. It gets tedious to continue one certain thing on your channel. I hope you guys will enjoy that. Lots and lots of things coming up for you all in the future. And yeah, that is all for this video. You all know, like, share, subscribe and whatever. And yeah, I hope you have a great and awesome day ahead. And that is it for today. I will get back very soon. I have exams on my heads, so I might not be able to post very soon. I hope you guys understand that. And yeah, till the next time, see you all, start your content journey, and start posting yourself out there. I will be back very soon.